G'day folks, welcome to the show. On tonight's episode, we're attending the Black Dog Ride from Campbell Town to Tasmania. I'll put a bit of a map up there so you can see where we're off to. So grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. There's something about the open road. The freedom, the space, the quiet between the noise. But even out here, with the wind at your back, not every journey is easy. You can look like you've got it all together and still be carrying a lot inside. The Black Dog One Dayer isn't just a ride. It's a ride for awareness, for connection, and for conversations we don't always know how to start. Kilometre by kilometre, town by town, riders come together for a shared purpose. It's not really about the distance, it's about knowing somebody's beside you, even when things get tough. A simple check-in, a quick chat, a moment to listen. That's how change starts. Because mental health doesn't discriminate, and no one should have to ride through it alone. If you're struggling, say something. And if someone you know is quiet, ask them how they're really going. This ride is about breaking that silence, about showing up, and about reminding each other that support is always within reach. Together we ride, together we speak, together we make that difference.
Haven't registered, go and do it now because we are leaving at 11 o'clock sharp, so we're going out the gate at 11 o'clock. So we've got Tasmania going to stop the traffic here and also down at Canara where we turn onto the Fingal Valley. So very important that we leave because we can't hold up the local constabulary. So
our check is 27,000. Well done. So we keep getting extra bandits every week and coming to us.
They're all set up, ready to go. Heard the warning. The Tas police at the gate. They're going to pull up all the traffic and let us out. Keeping it safe as we possibly can, of course. Go, 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 go. No. And we're away. That was a little bit smoother than I was expecting it to be. Well done, everybody. So today's ride, we're only heading to St Mary's. I obviously didn't read the fine print. They're trying to make it a little bit more public for the cause, so probably a good idea. Anyway, it's off and away. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Made it easy to the Fingal Valley turn-off on our way to St Mary's. So we made Avoca. All good in the front half, I assume. A bit smoky in the valley, but she's a cracker day. Turning out beautiful. Okay, we're sneaking into Avoca now. Well, we're hardly sneaking. This formation's still pretty good up the front. I can't see too much behind. We've got a few, I don't know, they're all caught up. It might be tidy, might be very tidy. Okay, 20 k's to go. I think they're going to back everything off now, try and regroup, get the bunch tied up, get some vision of us coming into St Mary's. Anyway, we will wait and see. I have tried to do this a few times and it's kind of like herding cats, but anyway, I wish them all the best. Wow. I'm not sure who organised that traffic stop, but we had cars coming up either side and they've pushed off the side of the road. No folks, that's not on. Got me beer just looking for me lunch. $15 barbecue, beautiful, fresh as. So that's the ride done and dusted. Just heading back to the bike now. Perfect weather, really good effort. I'll have to try and find out how many bikes were here. Well, that's me for the day. I'm heading out. Thanks everybody for watching. For those people that come up and said hello today and let me know that they watched the channel, thank you so much for doing that. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, there's a lot of hard work goes into editing these videos. I really do appreciate you coming up and saying hello. So it was lovely to meet you, and thank you for doing that. Yeah, that'll do for me. We will see you next time. So let's go. Cheers.